Good morning, class 1. Welcome to your English literature class, children. It is the first class after the unit test, right? And I hope that you have written your paper very nicely. The paper was good, right? There was no difficulty the paper was not that much difficult that you could not do, right? So I hope every one of you have done very nicely. So today we are going to start our class, and we will begin with the poem Out in the Garden. This is the poem Out in the Garden, right? So everyone will open your book at page number 55. Page number 55. And the poem is Out in the Garden. Okay? As we have completed the previous chapter and I have given you the question answers also. So we will start with this poem today. And these all are there in the half yearly exam, right? See, Out in the Garden. So everyone take a pencil in your hand and all will recite the poem with me. Okay, all will recite the poem with me. Right? Are you all ready? Okay, let us start the poem. All of you will recite the poem with me. The poem is about a girl. See here, one child is playing like you. It is about children like you who likes to play in the garden, right? When the weather is sunny, isn't it? You want to go for outdoor games, right? Otherwise, if it rains continuously, then what you do? You play indoor games, right? There are two kinds of game. One is indoor game that you play inside your house. Outdoor game means that we play the game that we play outside our house. And especially when do we play this outdoor game? When the weather is very pleasant, when the weather is sunny. During the sunny weather, we go to where do we go? We go outside, right? We go outside to play, isn't it? So you also like to go to play outside, or you want to play inside your house? These days, due to the pandemic, we cannot move out, right? It is very sad part of our life now, isn't it? Your parents are also not allowing you to go outside to play, and you are nowadays you are engaged in all type of indoor games, right? As you are not going out to play due to this COVID-19, right? But very soon, I hope, we let us pray to God that will come over this pandemic, okay? And we can live a very simple life, a normal life, isn't it? So mostly children, I think you would like to play outside, right? So where do you like to play, indoor or outdoor? Most of the children, they like to play outdoor, isn't it? So let us read a poem about a child who loves to play in the garden. So in this poem, we'll read about a child who loves to play in the garden like most of you. Okay, let us recite it. Out in the garden, one fine day, with my ball I went to play. I bounced it right, I bounced it left, I bounced it well on one fine day. Next paragraph. Out in the garden, one fine day, with my kite I went to play. I flew it right, I flew it left, I flew it high on one fine day. Okay. Now, as I have told you, this poem is about a child who loves to play in the garden. So, when do you play in the garden? When the weather is very pleasant, right? When the day is fine, sunny weather, isn't it? We cannot go to play outside when it rains. During the rainy days, we cannot go out to play, right? So, this child is, what she wants to do, she wants to play outside with her ball and with her kite, okay? Then out in the garden, one fine day, when the day was pleasant, and suddenly one day she went outside, okay? Where she'd go? She went to the garden, okay, to play. Then what did she take with her? She take her ball. So with my ball I went to play. The child went to the garden with her ball. You can see in the picture a small child, a small girl. She went to the garden with a ball in her hand. Now what she is doing, she's bouncing the ball. Okay, bouncing means what? Hit on the floor if you hit something on the floor and it comes back, it is called bouncing, right? So now what she was doing, she was bouncing the ball. First what she did, she was bouncing the ball in towards her right side. Okay, then again she was bouncing the ball in her left side. Okay, and I bounced it well, and she was bouncing the ball, okay, continuously on one fine day. Okay, then what happened? Again, out in the garden, one fine day, again out in the garden, she went out in the garden, and that day she took a kite. You know, you all like to fly kite. So she is flying a kite high up in the sky, and you can see the picture of birds flying there, right? So out in the garden, one fine day with my kite, I went to play, and the child is saying, I went out, I want to play outside. So I went outside with my kite in my hand, a colorful kite you can see, and she was flying the kite high up in the sky. Then I flew it right. First time she was flying the kite towards the right side. Then again she was flying the kite towards the right side, left side. Okay, right and left, both the sides she was flying the kite, and I flew it high on one fine day, and she was flying the kite high up in the sky on one fine day. So it is outdoors. She's playing outdoor, isn't it? She's flying the kite. She's playing with the ball in the garden, right? So all of you will very soon will get relief. Will overcome this disease. Okay, with all our strength. Okay, and our power, our willpower will overcome this pandemic, and we can also play in our school garden, isn't it? In our school playground, we can play with the ball. There are so many balls kept in the school, right? So you can also play. Okay, let us pray to God for our normal life. Okay, so this is a poem about a small girl who likes to play out in the garden like you all. Okay, then we will do the question answer and the back question answers afterward. Okay, fine. So before writing, you have to write the poem in your CW copy also. Before writing, you have to write the word meaning, bounced. Okay, name of the poem. Okay, date, name of the poem. You write in the CW copy. First you write date, then name of the poem, then you write the poem, and then the word meanings. Thank you.